What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lovable AI to create a website. So once you're inside your account guys, you can easily use the search here to basically give it a prompt to create a website, and I'm going to use it to create a simple website. So let's go ahead and create something here. So how about I will say create a AI. So I've asked it to create a how-to tutorial blog named Drew Tutorial that will share how-to guides, articles, and videos from my YouTube channel called Drew Tutorial. All you have to do now, guys, is just simply click enter on your keyboard and allow the AI to create your website. And what you're seeing right here is the power of Lovable AI that is currently generating and create that website for me. So just want to be patient and allow it to create the website. And what is going to happen, guys, is it's going to create a responsive website that is well designed to work on computer and also mobile. So as you can see at the top here, it's basically going to show you preview in mobile or desktop version. And on the left hand side, you can see what's really been going on here, what the Lovable AI will be creating. As you can see, it's currently working here on the left side. So you can come down and you can track the process, the activities, what the AI is literally creating, or let's say the face. As you can see right here, it's spinning up the preview, and within a moment or so, you will see that it creates the website for us to preview right in this section here. And there it goes, guys. This is the first draft of the website Drew tutorial. Keep in mind that this is just a first draft. You can always tweak it and come and make different changes to your website at any point in time. But have a look at this. So amazing. So here you can see that is showing different featured script here, and you can see what the recent articles look like, and here it shows the latest videos. So this section will be changed with the YouTube videos, and here it also have a button that you can view the YouTube channel. At the top you can see that it shows home, it shows tutorials here, it shows tutorial publish, video hours, and it basically shows how much happy learners and so forth. So it's a really nice, simple but well-defined website, right? Here it has the video section where you can see the videos. Here you have the about part of the website, you have the contact page. So it basically contains the basic pages that we need, but it comes with everything, right? Subscribe button, easy, well defined, and it's created within seconds. And this is the desktop version. If you want to view the mobile version, you simply click at the top here and you will see the website in a mobile version as well. So you can easily go ahead and check the layout if you like it and so forth, and you can actually view the website in a mobile version. So you can quickly toggle between the two to actually see what the website looks like. Once you're satisfied with your design, guys, you can go ahead and you can click and publish. Here it's going to quickly mention that you can customize it by adding your domain and all those good stuff. Otherwise, it's going to create it at a Lovable domain, and you can easily go ahead and view the website from this domain as well. So let's go ahead and click and publish, and you will have your Lovable website created. How amazing is that? And this is the link. They've given you a link. You can copy the link and you can open up your browser and you can actually view this website live from Lovable. How amazing is that? That's my website. Amazing, right? And that's it, guys. You can always go back and you can customize it whenever you want. So that's my website, guys. It is done, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. How amazing is that? And once you're finished, you can always go back to your dashboard. As you can see, it says go to dashboard. You can just quickly go back and it's going to quickly take you back to your Lovable homepage. And at any point in time you want to actually see the projects, you can always go back here and find your project and you can open it and edit your project at any point in time. But that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and create a website using Lovable. Amazing, guys. Very easy and very simple.